All right, let's go do this. It is cold. Yikes, hope we can get in. That's gonna be a problem, looks like. Oh, there we go. Whew. Thank goodness I left these up all night. Alright, let's grab the keys. Be a nice thumbnail right there. Oh, the wind. Oh, it's cold. This is why this time of the year I like having cloth seats. Alright, let's see how she starts. Let the pump prime first. Alright, let's see how she... Oh, turn that off. Alright. Oh. That was a long crank. But she started. Let it idle for a second. Kitty. Alright. Good old Subarus. For the most part. Alright. Nice. Take her out today and see how that all-wheel symmetrical drive actually works. But, yeah. Do want to check the antifreeze real quick. Idiot, I have no gloves. Oh, I'm going to put these down first. They are iced up. No, that was something. Yeah, that deer did a lot of damage, but I'm still driving her. Alright. Sounds pretty good. A little bit of ice in there. Wow. I've got pretty much pure antifreeze in there. There's just a little bit of ice in there. That looks okay. Alright. We'll let it warm up and we'll take her out and see how she does. Alright, so far she's doing pretty good. We didn't get a lot of snow, but some of the back roads are covered, and if I floor it, you'll see the ABS light that, not ABS, the traction control above the ABS, well, the TPMS sensor light. It's always on. If I floor it, watch this. It tells me that it's doing this thing. Traction control is working. So I'm pretty excited about that. Not bad for a $300 Subaru. My first Subaru I've ever owned. So yeah, not too bad. Just got to get the front grille fixed from the deer collision. She's gonna be okay. Alright guys, stay warm out there, and thanks for watching.